Hello everyone. I'll start with a small introduction of my team. My name is Shivansh and I have been working at Pool Together for the past 3 years as part of the Pool Time team. I do front-end development and my teammate Shreeman is a content creator and influencer by profession. Together, we wanted to make something super useful and super simple for the world app users. When I first got into crypto, one of the first challenges was to actually know what to do with my tokens. And the app that I used the most during that times was probably Zapper, and now that has converted to DBank. To not only view my portfolio in tokens, but also to see other addresses and what they were doing with their tokens, what apps they were using, where they were investing. And so basically that's what inspired us to make this portfolio manager app for world users. It's basically DBank or Zapper for the world app, where once you log in, you can not only see your own tokens, but also actionable items on what you can do with these tokens. Plus, you can see other addresses and see what they are doing and what mini apps they are using. So let me show you guys a small demo of that. Once you open the portfolio tracker app, it asks you to log in. And once you log in, you see your portfolio pops up. Basically, the wallet that you use for the world app, it shows all the tokens that you're holding. So as you can see, I have some USDC tokens, I have some pool together positions, and I have world tokens. Now, when I click on the analysis tab, here I can see what I can do with these tokens. For example, I can deposit into pool together and I can click the button to open the mini app directly inside our app. I can also add more money using the add money app, which I can open again in my app as well. And not only our own addresses, I can also put any other addresses that I want. For example, I found this address and when I paste this in, it shows me what tokens they are holding. They have a good amount of deposit in pool together, 7,000, and Aave, they have $1,000 deposits. But when you click on analysis, you can see that they can swap their USDC token, they have 45, using the Uno app, and it opens as well. Our vision is to expand suggestions to more mini apps, help user go to the analysis tab daily and see what they can do with their tokens, where they can invest, where they can stake. For example, if they are human verified, they can see that they can claim a token every day and that mini app is inside our app. We want this to be like the first stop for every new users and a returning stop for users who use it daily. I invite you guys to definitely try out the app for once. It's half-baked for now, but we want to build it, polish it, and make it super simple and super accessible for users so that its utilization factor can be the best selling point. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to pitch, and we hope to meet you soon and build this app further.